dark and the moon is the only light you see.